Let's look at synthetic division. Let f and g be polynomials with g of lesser degree than f and g of degree of 1 or more. Then there are two unique polynomials, q and r, so that f of x is g times q plus r. Let's think of r as our remainder. So you remember when we did long division, if I wanted to do something like x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24 divided by x minus 3, I could actually treat this like a long division problem and say, okay, x goes into x cubed how many times? It goes x squared times. And then multiply x squared times x minus 3, and that's x cubed minus 3x squared. And then I could come and do the subtraction. And then I would get 2x squared minus 2x plus 24. X goes into minus 2x squared. What? Minus 2x times. Then multiply, subtract, and then keep going. X goes into negative 8x 8 times. 8 times negative 8 times x minus 3 is negative 8x plus 24. So you wind up with a remainder of 0. Long division can be cumbersome and it takes up quite a bit of space. We can do another method, that's synthetic division. Exact same problem. But instead, what we're going to do is, this is x minus c. So in this case, c is 3. So we're going to take the 3 and put it right there. And then we're going to take the coefficients of the polynomial in the numerator. So that's 1, negative 5, negative 2, and 24, and list them here. And now we're going to bring down the first term. It doesn't matter what it is. And then we're going to multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we're going to add straight down. So this is negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Add straight down. So negative 2 plus negative 6 is 8. 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. Add straight down. We have a remainder of 0. And this becomes our new polynomial. Since this started with x cubed, this coefficient is 1x squared minus 2x minus 8. So let's use synthetic division to divide 4x cubed minus 15x squared plus 11x minus 10. Well, in this case, our c value is 3. So we're going to put the 3 in the box. And then the coefficients are 4, negative 15, 11, and negative 10. So we're going to bring the 4 straight down and then multiply 3 times 4, and that is 12. Okay. So we're going to add straight down. So negative 15 plus 12 is negative 3. And now we're going to multiply 3 times negative 3, and that's negative 9. And then we're going to add straight down. So we get 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And we add straight down. So we have a remainder of negative 4. So since the divisor k minus has degree 1, the degree of the quotient is always going to be 1 less than the original. So this becomes 4x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus plus the remainder, which is 4, divided by x minus 3. Now the remainder theorem states that if a polynomial is divided by x minus k, the remainder is equal to f of k. So let's use a remainder theorem to find f of 4. You will be asked to do these on the test. You must use a remainder theorem. You cannot just stuff 4 into the equation. You will get no points for that. So we want to use synthetic division. All right, with k is equal to 4, you list your coefficients. So you're going to bring down the negative 3. 4 times negative 3 is 12. Then we're going to add straight down and get 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Add straight down, you get 12. 4 times 12 is 48. Add straight down, it's negative 2. 2 times 4 is negative 8. Add straight down, and you get 17. So f of 4 is equal to the remainder, which is 17. So let f of x equal x 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 18. Is k equal to a 0? So what we're asking is the remainder 0? So let's use synthetic division. And we bring 2 down. 2 times 2 is 4. We add straight down, so that's 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Add straight down, we get 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Add straight down, we get negative 14. So the answer is no. 2 is not a 0 because I have a remainder. Let's look at this function as k equal negative 3 is 0. Use synthetic division with k equal negative 3. Bring 1 down. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Add straight down, so this is negative 7. Negative 7 times negative 3 is 21. Add straight down, so that's 7. 7 times 21. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Add straight down, it's 15. 15 times negative 3 is 45. When I add straight down, I get 0. So yes, negative 3 is a 0 because I was able to divide it and have no remainder. Now, if f of x is x to the fourth minus 3x minus x cubed plus 6x squared plus 14x minus 12, is k equals 1 plus 3i is 0? And so let's try it. When I bring the 1 straight down and I multiply by 1 plus 3i and add straight down, I get 3i. 3i times 1 plus 3i is minus 9 plus 3i. When I add straight down, that's negative 3 plus 3i. Multiply by 1 plus 3i. This gets a little complicated. I get negative 12 plus 6i. Add straight down, I get 2 minus 6i. And 1 plus 3i times 2 minus 6i is 20. When I add straight down, I get a remainder of 0. So yes, this is a 0. By the way, that also tells me that 1 minus 3i is also a 0.